Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Railcard app not working. Our first solution is we need to update our Railcard application. To do that, open your Play Store, search for Railcard. If you see any update available, then update your Railcard application from here and then check the problem if fixed or not. And the second solution is we need to clear our Railcard app cache files. To do that, open your phone settings and search for app management, tap on Railcard, tap on storage usage, clear cache, clear data. And now check the problem if fixed or not. And if you're still facing the same problem, then open your phone settings again, search for app management, tap on Railcard, tap on storage usage, tap on clear cache and clear data, and then uninstall your Railcard application. Go to your Play Store. You'll need to reinstall your Railcard app. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.